And so I would suspect that the next couple of years, the Chiefs are going to you're going to lose, Kelsey. You're going to probably, you have to look at, to your point, really consider trading Chris Jones. And then you really got to start looking at your offensive line. Like, you got to protect Travis Mahone. And right now, I think the draft pick they had last year is pretty good. They really need to really put an emphasis on that, and putting that emphasis on that means you're going to sacrifice other areas.
We're
You
gonna
get
be
what I mean?
we're gonna be 40 million over the cap.
Whoa, that ain't small change, man.
Kelsey's 25, Chris Jones 30, Mahomes 43. Mahomes, they can restructure his contract.
Right?
Chris Chris Jones got to go.